Welcome to Vensire Studios. It's been a while since I've done a tutorial video, but yeah, here we are. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get Davinci Resolve running on Manjaro on a laptop, and this is with the discrete Nvidia graphics. So let's dive down into everything that went on and get this going. So the first thing you're going to be doing is going to the Davinci Resolve website and downloading Davinci Resolve. Personally, I go to the support page to get the latest version and just download it directly from there. Once you got that downloaded, go to the downloaded location, right click on it, go to extract and extract the folder. Once that is completed, you can open up the folder, and now you get two ways of installing this. You can do it either via the terminal or just running the .run file itself. Personally, simple, just run the .run file. It's kind of like on Windows or something. Run through the prompts, and once it gets to the install section, it'll ask you to input your password twice and get installed. You do it via terminal, you don't need a password. In fact, you can put in the whole command they have, then put --y. It'll auto, sorry about that. It'll auto run through without giving you any other prompts and get it installed. But once that is done, it'll actually put a desktop icon on the system itself, and obviously put it in the tray section as well. Usually it's in lost and found. You're gonna have to customize that up if you want to put it inside Davinci Resolve like I did. But either or, it's completely beyond the point, because if you double click on that, it won't run. In fact, let's move this out of the way real quick and I'll show you. You'll see you double click on it, it shows the icon on the bottom, and then it just goes poof. I've been trying to get this going for a while now, when I've had a little time up going back and forth from, you know, a little free time anyway, while going back and forth from things I've been doing. So I finally went, you know what, I'm gonna open up the terminal, open it up, put in the command that's supposed to run Davinci Resolve, hit enter, and you get this error. So these libraries apparently aren't running properly, so it can't load up. I decided to finally look these one of these up last night, and I came across something on Git, and as I scrolled down, I came across a command line. Both of the web page itself and the command line will be in the description below for your convenience. Now, what does this command do? It actually tells it to preload this for Davinci Resolve. Now, if you use this command line and hit enter, hopefully Resolve loads up for you. If you're on an AMD or Intel system, you will probably need to make sure you have OpenCL installed. I don't know if it comes with the open source drivers anymore or if it ever did, but at least for AMD, you had to install the Pro line drivers to get this working. It might have changed since then, but double check OpenCL and make sure you have those installed. But if it loads straight up, then, you know, great. You should see the tutorial page. I've already gone past the tutorial page, so obviously this went straight up asking me if I wanted to load in a project. Now, I am on Nvidia discrete graphics here. So if I create a project and it loads in, immediately I get the GPU memory is full issue. I've seen this on BRAW and other distros as well, for when I've kind of gotten this working before. Now, if you go into preferences itself, look at memory, everything's full. It'll show that the Nvidia graphics are working in here in CUDA, but in reality, they are not. So we're gonna quit on out of here, and we're going to change a couple things. So here we go. After the preload section, you're gonna put in prime -run space and enter. With that being said, Davinci Resolve will load up again. You go into Untitled Project, and you'll see there's not a single error popping up. And in the videos section here, I can drag in a project, change the frame rate and so forth, and just tell it to play. No problems whatsoever. Now, this is the studio version. I'm using a dongle down here that the Davinci Resolve, dongle to be able to use the studio version without an issue or using a serial number. So I've got full decoding on H.264 and H.265 via the discrete graphics. I've already tested this with some BRAW and in 4K. In fact, this whole video is going to be edited up in 4K directly on this laptop specifically to be sure everything else is playing nicely. I think that pretty much, well, covers all of it. As I had stated before, if you're on AMD or Intel discrete graphics on a laptop, hopefully it loads up without a single problem. If there's an issue, check your OpenCL to make sure that is installed. Once you have that situated, it should come up hopefully without a single issue, or you can find something else. Also, if you find a solution for that because you had an issue, why not leave something in the comment section below. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment and so forth. I try to do these things when I come across them and I figure a workaround and everything else, and hopefully this helps you on out. I mean, I really haven't seen many videos and so forth on this online, and since I figured this out, I was like, hey, I'm gonna share it, and hopefully it's not just me that it kind of works with. So, like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, or if for some reason you had problems, or leave a comment below again, and maybe we can work things out together as a Linux community on doing Linux things. So if you also liked what you saw here, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you see you all later. Bye.